Morning, students. Yesterday I told you that in last lecture I told you that few questions which I have yet to tell you. Even though the 8.2 exercise is not in your syllabus, still two questions are looking good. So I'm telling you. Question number. This is actually example I'm telling you, but I request you please do same questions. I will later on I will tell you. You don't worry about this. So I have a example number 9 which I want to share with you. Using the integration, find the area of the region bounded by a triangle whose vertices are, let A is 1 0, B is 2 2 and C is 3 1. Very good question it is. We want to find the area of the triangle whose vertex are this. So we will make the triangle first and make the triangle properly by looking the axis and quadrant as well and make a proper picture. Okay, we start. So this is so-called axis and this is 1 0. It's definitely here. 2 2 is a 1, suppose it is 2, so it is my 2, 2 2 is here, and 3 1 is, suppose it is 3 and it is 1, so it's a 3 1. So one should understand that your graph should better, meaning point and all the points should be plotted at a proper way, proper place, then you can join all the points and then you want to find this area. So what we will do? Let me explain something. We first draw the perpendicular from this point here to this point, and this is none else but it is 2 0, and when I draw this here it is a 3 0. And what action I am taking here? Look at, I tell you, first of all, can you see the tip of the chalk? First of all, I will find the area, this portion covered by this line, then this portion covered by this line, and then lastly this portion covered by this line. So after adding, can you see here, I'll first find this area, then I'll find this area, I'll add them, and then after I'll find this area and I'll subtract. When I will subtract this area from both the addition of the above two, definitely your answer will be this triangle. So what we are going to do, first of all, we will have to find three areas. And first area between 1 to 2, second 2 to 3, and third 1 to 3. And that is the rule. But the question mark is here. We don't have a function. This is a line, but I don't have a line. And I need a function y equal to. So first aim to find the equation of lines. So think, student, whenever the 3 points will be given, you will find the equation of lines by using 2-point form of line. So I'm using here, can you see? I'm using here, just give me A, B and C, is good thing. Here, A equal to, A have a coordinate 1 0 and B have a coordinate 2 2. So equation of AB, can you see? Equation of AB, x1 y1 x2 y2. You know the formula? 2-point form I taught you initially. Y minus y1, y2 minus y1, x2 minus x1, x minus x1. 2 by 1 and x minus 1. I don't want to solve further because I have already got the equation, and y equal to we have got, that is very important. So first line I have got, now I will find BC. Again, B I have 2 2, C I have 3 1, and I will find equation of BC. Y minus y1, y2 minus y1, x2 minus x1, x minus x1, y minus 2, minus 1 and x minus 2, y equal to minus x plus 2 plus 2. Can you see? Minus x plus 2 and plus 2, I got a y equal to 4 minus x. This is the second line. And finally, I'll have A is a 1 0 and C is a 3 1. So I'll find the equation of AC, which is y minus y1 equal to y2 minus y1, x2 minus x1, x minus x1. You know y minus y1 equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1, x minus x1. It is y, it is 1 by 2, it is x minus 1, and I don't want to solve further this because already we got y value of y. So till here we have got all the equations, guys, and then what we'll find? Area of a triangle. Directly I am doing what we will do. We have three areas. First area bounded by AB, second area bounded by BC. I'll add them and I'll definitely subtract the area bounded by AC. So I write here. Can you see? Area of A, suppose it is a P and Q, suppose. So area of APB plus area of BPQC minus area of AQC. Now go with APB. APB 1 to 2. Y dx. Y1. Can I say Y1? Okay. Area of BPQC between 2 to 3. Suppose it is called Y2. And lastly, it's AQC. AQC 1 to 3. Suppose it is called Y3. Now put up values of Y. Can you tell me Y1 was this line AB? AB is here. Equation of AB, y equal to 2x minus 1. 2 to 3, y2 covered by BC. BC was y equal to 4 minus x. And lastly, minus, I added these two and subtract the last one. 1 to 3 and line third, which was AC, and this is AC's third line. Find the equation of AC, half x minus 1. So student, till here we have seen. Now let me rub all, because this the role of this figure has been over. Now we will solve. I'll take 2 common. I'll integrate the term x square by 2 and the integration of 1 is x. Over limit 1 to 2. 1 to 2. And after plus, the integration of 4 is 4x minus x square by 2, limit 2 to 3, minus the integration of, it's a half is come out, and the integration of x is x square by 2, and 1 have integration x from 1 to 3. Now I go with the limit putting, and I do directly. Look at. If I put 2 to the 4 by 2, 2 minus 2, upper limit and lower limit 1 by 2, 1. The upper limit is 4 3 is 12 minus 9 by 2 and lower limit 8 minus 2 to the 4 by 2, 2. Lastly, the upper limit is 3, 9 by 2 minus 3 and lower limit is 1 by 2 minus 1. And lastly, I would solve this particular term. I'll have this is 0, this is minus half, minus and plus half. Here it is 20 to 24, 15 by 2 minus this is 6, and this is 3 by 2 minus plus half. Lastly, it is 1 plus 3 by 2 minus this is a whole 1. This is a 4 by 2 is 2, 2 into cancel 1. 1 and 1 cancel. Lastly, answer will be 3 by 2. So this is the, if the calculation is okay, answer will be correct. Yes, it is correct. 3 by 2. So students, the method is this only. Whenever the 3 points would be given, what you will find? You first find all the that equation of sides, and then make a proper picture, find your area and get the same answer which I have done here. So students, hope you got. Now one more question I just want to tell you. After this the chapter will be over from my side only. The question is, same question you would get fourth question in exercise 8.2, and from the miscellaneous one you will get question number 13. So keep remember these two questions. Now I am telling you question number 5th. Question number 5th of the exercise 8.2. It is also very interesting question of the exercise 8.2. So I have, using the integration, find the area of triangular region whose sides are given. Okay, sides of triangle are given as y equal to 2x plus 1 first, y equal to 3x plus 1 second, and x equal to 4. These are sides of the triangle. Now can you compare? In last question we had given the vertex points and we found the equation of sides also. This time we are given the sides, so we will find the point, meaning we need both of the things, coordinate meaning vertex as well as the equation of sides. So last question vertex were given, we found the equation of sides. This time equation of sides are given, we will find the vertex. How we can? We know it. We want to make a triangle, but before we will find the vertex. This is the picture. Suppose it is the first line is AB, second line is BC, third line is AC. Where is A? What is A? What is B? What is C? I don't know. First of all, I will find them. So I will find the intersection point. I will take, suppose it is 1, suppose it is 2, suppose it is 3. So I will find the intersection point of 1 and 2 by solving them, and I will find the intersection point of 1 and 3 by solving them, and similarly by solving 2 and 3 I will get the third intersection point. So okay, I will find here by 1 and 2. We will solve just by 1 and 2. We will solve. How to solve? We will just merge them by any method you can use, by substitution method, by elimination method. So the easiest method is only substitution method, meaning equal. These two are equal. We can compare them. 2x plus 1 and 3x plus 1 equal. Can you see? Y equal to y. 3x plus 1 equal to 2x plus 1. 1 and 1 cancel. 3x equal to 2x. Don't cancel x and x. Don't be silly. 3x minus 2x is equal to 0. 3x minus 2x is x is equal to 0. We have got a 1 point. Put x equal to 0 in one of the equation, guys, by 1 or 2. X equal to 0, then we put y equal to 1. Meaning intersection point of line 1 and 2 is none else but it is the x, 0 and 1. This is the first point we have got from these two intersection point. Now I'll go with our 2 and 3. Very easy it is. By 2 and 3 we have x equal to 4 already given. We don't need to find, we don't need to bother with the x. X equal to 4 put here. So y will be 4 3s are 12. 3 into 4 plus 1 means 13. So I'll say intersection point of 2 and 3 is 4 and 13. And lastly, by 1 and 3 I'll solve y equal to, can you see x equal to 4 again given, we'll put here y equal to 2 into 4 plus 1 which is 9. So intersection point of 1 and 3 is none else but it is 4 and 9. So these all points we have got, student, and we'll make a picture now. We'll make a picture now. Can you see the picture that we're writing here? Then I'll remove all the things, all the short things here. Can you see? this is x and y, and make a plotter proper points. Look at the point 0, 1 is here. Suppose it is 0, 1. 4 and 30, 4 and 9. 1, 2, 3. Suppose it is 4. 9. Suppose it is 9. Suppose it is 9. So it is a point. Suppose it is 4, 9. Again 4, 13. So 4 is the same here, and 13 will be, this was 9. So definitely it is a 13. I suppose it is 13. 4 and 13 in the same line. Now guys, I will join on this and this. So I want to find this area. This area. So I have a very small trick and one profit thing with you, that this line is actually straight. This is not a slant. So when you will draw the perpendicular now, the thing what will come, will draw the perpendicular which directly meet at the same point 4, 0. It is 4, no? It is 4. It's a 4, 0. So what you're going to find out? You want to find this area. This is not the same question which I had in the last board. That time only points were given, and points were like that. Points were given like that. So that time we found all this kind of area. But this time these two points on the same line, so it was drawn a straight line. We couldn't have a typical figure. We have an easy figure. This portion I want to find out, and I'll find by I join these two, drawn simple perpendicular. What action is looking? That can you see the tip of the chalk? This area, this area, this area, this. I'll find between 0 to 4, and then I'll find this particular area by 0 to 4. Definitely upper graph minus lower graph I'll find and get a answer. So easy thing. So let me wrap now. The question is still remaining one question I want to tell you. Very important thing I'm telling you. Look at. Suppose it is A, it is B, it is C, and it is O. So what is the equation of AC? That's the question. What is the equation of AC? One should understand. I tell you one trick, that it is 4, 13 and 0, 1. I want to say something about all the. Can you see all the lines? See, I tell you one thing. This is a 1, 0 and 1. This is 1, 2, 0, 1. After solving 2, 3, I have a 4, 13, and after solving 1, 3, it's a 4, 9. This is the thing I tell you. And can you see one thing, that 0, 1 and 4, 13. These 2 points, the line passing from these 2 points. Can you check? I tell you one thing. This is 1, 2, 2, 3. What is common? 2. What is common? 2. See again. From these two lines passing from 0, 1, these 2 lines passing from 4, 13. Can you have common? This 2. Meaning second line passes from 0, 1 and 4, 13. 0, 1 and 4, 13. From these 2 points, which line is common? 2. Meaning second line is passing from these 2 points. Can you see? It is 9, 2. Similarly, 0 and 4, 9. Can you see? I tell you again. Can you see these 2 lines? 2, 3, 1, 3. This is 3. Third line is a common, which passing from 4, 13 and 4, 9. So 4, 13 and 4, 9. These particular line, which line is common? 3 line. Third line. The third line is passing from these 2 points. And definitely it is the first line. It is the first line. Can you see again? I want to tell you. 1, 2 and 1, 3. 1 is a common, meaning line 1 is passing from 0, 1 and 4, 9. 0, 0 and 4, 9. So picture we have got all the lines also. Now we will make a required area. What required area is? Upper graph 0 to 4 is given by 1, and lower graph again 0 to 4 by 2. This is a simple thing. Now I'll go with 0 to, let me rub this out. I would also rub all the question except this, because I want this particular. Let me rub this out also. And required area is upper graph minus lower graph. Upper graph is covered by second line, sorry. So your answer is afterward 0 to 4. Upper graph is line 2. Line 2 is this one. I go to 3x plus 1 dx, and minus lower graph is again from 0 to 4. Lower graph is a like equation number 1, which is 2x plus 1. And now the last answer, I think it's so easy to you. You do only 3x square by 2 plus x, and integration of this is 2x square by 2 plus x. And I'm leaving the answer on you because you know that how to deal this problem. Student, I have taught you the question number 5th. Same in the miscellaneous one. Question number 13 and 14. Please make these questions because one of the questions may come in exam. So this is the chapter from my side. Actually, few questions were very important, but this is now out of syllabus, so I am not taking these questions in the lecture. So this is the end of the chapter. From tomorrow we will study the new chapter, differential equation, and we'll talk about the syllabus, what has been removed from this chapter tomorrow only. Thank you.